Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you the best way you can easily share files between two devices. I will show you how you can send files from your desktop to your mobile phone. In this case, I'm going to the application we are going to use here is called LocalSend. All you need to do is to go on this very website and download this software, depending on the operating system you're using. Here on my MacBook, I have downloaded it using the Mac OS option. You can also download it by going to App Store. If you are using any other kind of operating system, you can choose that. After downloading on one device, I go also to my mobile phone and download the same software on my mobile phone. There I'm using Android, so I downloaded using the Android version. You can also download by going to Google App Store. After downloading them, we are going to find something similar to this. This is what it looks like after installation on my MacBook. Mobile phone, this is what it looks like. That's the application LocalSend. What I need to do is to open the application on my mobile phone. On my MacBook, I'm going to go to folder and choose the file that I want to send. In this case, I want to send this MP3 music. I have chosen the file I wanted to send. Now I'm going to indicate that I want to send it to my mobile phone. As you can see, on the mobile phone, you can see the name, Lovely Potato. Lovely Potato, that's the name of the name that is assigned to the mobile phone. That's what I'm seeing on my MacBook as well. So I'm going to choose that. Now on my mobile phone, it's asking me if I should accept the file. Let me say yes. Now the file will take some time to send. It has completed. I can just done and go there and say done. Now the file has been transferred from my MacBook to my mobile phone. It's just as simple as this. Let me also say that it is important. It's not necessary, but just to make it easier, it is important to make sure that both devices are on the same network. I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I please ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you.